So some of you have asked about it, but here's model 2 or version 2 of this thing. You can see it's catching some junk. Had to get rid of the other one with the wooden sides. This is another prototype, but what I did was take a piece of I don't know, it was vinyl flooring or something I had laying around, hit it with a heat gun to bend it into this shape, and then just metal mesh, just wrapped it around there, and I made it a little wider than this, and it's really just pressed in there, but it's holding fine. And then the real fine fiberglass mesh to keep this kind of stuff from going in, or at least most of it. And then a couple pieces of wood around the corners to screw this to. And then another gallon or two of putty. Around the bottom. But so far it's working good. Eventually we'll get to a usable model, or the final model. And again, I left these sides up like this because we get a lot of wind here, and this keeps the water flowing where it's got to flow instead of blowing all over the place. But it's been working good. We're supposed to get some rain this evening. If we do, I'll let you see this thing in action. But until then, we'll wait, and if we don't get some rain, I'll just simulate some, just to let you see how it goes. Oh, and here's one of those chunks of vinyl. This is probably one I was going to try to use too, and made it into something else. Or I don't even know what I did with it, but just hit it with a heat gun, and I had a block of wood here and just bent it up. And that's what you ended up with. So stand by, we'll get some water flowing into it. Okay, it didn't rain. It's been a while since it has rained. So I'm going to go up and blast my gutters out. There's a lot of junk in it, plus that crud that just accumulates on the bottom. But we'll let you see this thing in action. Stand by. Look at that. I don't care how much of it gets piled up there, it's eventually going to slide off. But I could probably stiffen that up, but still the water's going to come down. And after this first flush, it's going to blast right through all this stuff. So I'm still pleased with it. I could increase that angle, but I don't know. I don't really know if it's a problem. Anyway, let me kill this video and